Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and we're really glad you're here to practice some natural, everyday English with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something very common, but somehow very frustrating.
Not being able to sleep.
Oh wow, that feels personal already.
Very personal.
Because somehow, the moment you want to sleep, your brain suddenly becomes very active.
Very true. Suddenly, you remember everything.
Things from today,
Things from years ago.
embarrassing moments,
Random memories.
big overthinking energy.
Very real situation.
Today, we are talking about not being able to sleep in English.
Real English for real life.
Because sometimes learning English is not only about grammar. Sometimes you just want to explain how tired you feel.
Very important goal.
Very important. Before we begin,
If you enjoy learning English through natural conversations,
don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
okay, Sam, let's imagine something. It is late at night.
Okay, peaceful moment,
Quiet room.
comfortable bed.
Maybe blanket.
Everything feels perfect.
Then suddenly, no sleep.
Oh no, immediate frustration.
Very immediate frustration.
Then maybe you check the time.
Big mistake.
Very big mistake.
Because somehow, looking at the time feels stressful.
Very stressful.
Then suddenly, you think, why am I still awake?
Honest question. Why does sleep become difficult exactly when people need it?
Honestly, very good question.
Then maybe your brain starts talking.
Oh no, dangerous moment.
Suddenly, you remember something embarrassing from 5 years ago.
Very painful memory time.
Then maybe you think, why did I say that?
Or maybe, why did I do that?
Very real overthinking.
Sam, question time.
Okay,
Most stressful late night thought.
easy. Thinking about tomorrow.
Really?
Yes, because suddenly everything feels serious.
Very true.
Then maybe you say, I can't sleep.
Useful sentence, everyone. I can't sleep.
Repeat after us. I can't sleep.
Nice, simple English.
Or maybe, I'm really tired.
Useful sentence, everyone. I'm really tired.
Repeat after us. I'm really tired.
Very useful real-life English.
Then maybe you try everything.
Drinking water,
Turning the pillow.
changing position.
Closing eyes harder somehow.
Why do people think stronger sleeping helps?
Honestly, very good question.
Then maybe you check your phone.
Oh no. Dangerous decision.
Very dangerous.
Suddenly, one video becomes 20 videos.
And somehow, 2 hours disappear.
Very real situation.
Sam, be honest. Have you ever stayed awake too late?
Wait, why are we talking about my secrets again?
Fair question.
Maybe one time.
One time?
Okay, maybe many times.
Honest answer again.
One time, I said just one more video.
Okay, sounds dangerous already.
Then suddenly, the sun arrived.
Wait, the sun?
Very bright sun.
Oh no, wrong and confident again.
Apparently, that is my personality.
Very consistent personality.
Thank you, I think.
Then maybe you tell someone, I didn't sleep well.
Useful sentence, everyone. I didn't sleep well.
Repeat after us. I didn't sleep well.
Very useful English.
Then maybe there is another natural way to explain how you feel.
Yes, sometimes explaining tired feelings feels difficult.
Very difficult, especially after a bad night.
Very bad night.
Then maybe say, I didn't sleep well.
Or maybe, I'm exhausted.
Useful sentence, everyone. I'm exhausted.
Repeat after us. I'm exhausted.
Nice, natural English.
Emma, question time.
Okay,
Worst late night habit.
easy. Thinking too much.
Really?
Yes, because suddenly, tiny problems feel very serious.
Oh wow. that feels too real.
Then somehow your brain starts asking strange questions.
Very strange questions.
Like, did I say something embarrassing 3 years ago?
Or maybe, what if tomorrow goes badly?
Big overthinking energy again.
Very big overthinking energy.
Honest question. Have you ever stayed awake for no reason?
Sadly, yes.
Oh, wow. What happened?
One time, I was very tired, ready to sleep.
Okay, sounds peaceful.
Then suddenly, I remembered a movie.
Okay, sounds normal.
Then I thought, maybe one quick video.
Oh no, dangerous thinking again.
Very dangerous thinking. Then suddenly, 3 hours disappeared.
Wait, 3 hours?
Very fast hours.
Wrong and confident again.
Apparently, that is my personality.
Very consistent personality.
Thank you, I think.
Then maybe morning arrives.
Oh no. Tired morning.
Very tired morning.
Maybe someone asks, "Are you okay?"
Useful sentence, everyone. I'm just tired.
Repeat after us. I'm just tired.
Or maybe I couldn't sleep.
Very useful real-life English.
Then maybe somebody gives advice.
Maybe drink less coffee.
Maybe sleep earlier.
Maybe stop checking the phone.
Difficult advice sometimes.
Very difficult.
Emma question.
Okay,
Best sleeping advice.
easy. Put the phone away. Relax. And stop overthinking.
Very good advice.
Thank you.
But honestly, not being able to sleep can feel very frustrating.
Especially when you feel tired already.
Or your brain refuses to relax.
But simple English helps.
Very true. You do not need perfect English.
Short sentences work.
Like, I can't sleep.
I'm really tired.
I didn't sleep well.
I'm exhausted.
I'm just tired.
I couldn't sleep.
Real English, real life.
Confidence grows slowly.
One conversation at a time.
One small sentence at a time.
Even tired moments help.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today, everyone.
We hope this conversation helped your English feel easier and more natural.
And maybe made sleepless nights feel a little less frustrating.
If you enjoyed learning with us,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
we will see you again soon.
Bye, everyone.